Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cam Legend. I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been supporting my content and the work that I'm pushing out, and I will continue to do so. And I've been getting a lot of good feedback on the video I did on the human brain waves and the different states that it goes into. And people are starting to clock on now subconsciously what's going on in the world right now, because we have this Delta variant, which is out in the States, and people are starting to understand that Delta is symbolic for sleep consciousness. And that's what they're precisely doing. They're rocking you to sleep. And if you're aware of knowledge in different languages, like the Greek alphabet, for example, then you'll know what Delta means, okay, which I will be breaking down in other videos. This is symbolic for sleep consciousness. And when you know things, when you know things that operate and govern this matrix, it's easier to decode. So for me, I just laugh at this facade of pandemic which is going on right now, because I understand the science to it, I understand the nature to it, I understand the symbolism to it. And this is what you have to realize, is that there's levels to this. A lot of people still don't know that delta consciousness or delta frequencies is something that we emit before we go to sleep. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. A lot of people don't know this. So it's vital that you share this knowledge and let people know what is going on from an esoteric level. The more you understand this knowledge, the more you're able to navigate through this matrix and not be a victim of the system. You don't want to be a victim of the system. Hosea 4, chapter 6, my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge, for lack of knowledge. Now, I'm not religious at all, but I read and study many different books, and I collect the wisdom from it, and I use discernment. So this is what you need to realize, is that yes, it seems prophesized, at the same time it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. And what you need to be doing is getting clued up and being 10 steps ahead of this matrix, 5 steps ahead of this matrix. If it's not learning about astrology and learning about things that are going to happen or be foreseen, you're able to skip right past behind it. And this is why knowledge is key. I plan out my months, I plan out my days, I plan out everything so I can see what's going to happen. It's not what you call psychic. People will call it psychic abilities, and there is an essence to that. But at the same time, we're just talking about common sense, and we're talking about energy here. So this is how we need to start seeing things. The powers that be, the people that be, they plan out these agendas with agents. They plan it out. They plan out when they want to do things, because they know there's universal energies that can back them. But the more you're aware of these universal energies, the more they cannot back anything. And those energies come back to you, and you create your own reality. So this is the kind of fourth dimensional thinking we need to get to as a collective consciousness. It's a shame because the hive minds will let down the collective consciousness. The fear-mongering will affect the collective consciousness. The lower states of consciousness, frequencies, we're talking about the robots, we're talking about the bots, we're talking about the people that are just merely living. They are part of this collective consciousness, but we still have to continue to work to help this collective consciousness grow to a bigger space of awareness. We have to. That's what we have to try and do. Not everyone's going to make it, but at least if you do your part from your side, the universe will make sure you are safe, you are fine, okay? You know, you can only take a camel to the water. The camel still has to do its thing and drink that water. So as long as we do our part, that's what we can do. And realize that yes, not everyone is going to make it, but make sure you take care of yourself first. Take care of your loved ones first. Take care of the people that are receptive to wanting to break the cycle. There's a lot of people that don't want this matrix to fall because they've been programmed. It's like Stockholm syndrome. So, this is the deeper reality to it. You will have those Agent Smiths in the family or friends, the Agent Smiths who don't want to let the partying go. They don't want to let the nightclubbing go. They don't want to let anything go. They love the Matrix the way it is, but the Matrix will fall, or they will subdue themselves to taking the vacaine because they don't want that Matrix to go, and that will be their reality. But there's a new reality coming here. There's a new reality being manifested right before our eyes, and it only appears to people that have that awakening. You don't have to be like this psychic guru or anything like this. You just need to have an intuitive awareness of knowledge, trusting your intuition, thinking, hey, that's not right, that's don't make logical sense, or that don't make common sense. So this is it. Start using your brain. Start using it critically. Okay, you need to start thinking critically. It's vital for this ascension process. It's vital to navigate this matrix, because the hive mind will lower you down, because this is energy, and energy is like a magnet. So the more people that believe something to be true, the more it's going to gravitate down to be true. Okay, my battery is very low. I'm gonna go ahead and shut down. Stay blessed. More info on the way. Peace.